Hello, hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day. And today we have one more class. My name is Bruno. If you don't know me, I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching English for 6 years, and I'm currently in Australia, Sydney. Also, doing what? Teaching English. So let's get started. This class, you will notice, let's use this word. You will notice that I will be speaking very slowly because this class is meant for A1 level. Okay, which is the first level when you start learning English. That's the reason that I'm going to slow down my English so you are able to understand me 100%. Okay? If you are having like problems, you don't understand me, you don't get me. So I have one video exactly like this in Portuguese, okay? So if it's very difficult for you, go to the Portuguese version. But teacher, I don't speak Portuguese. Sorry, I only speak two languages. That's what I can do for you. Okay? So let's continue talking about numbers. Last week I posted one video, I uploaded the video, and after I uploaded, I noticed that I made a mistake in the spelling here, but I'm not very good editing things, so I just let it there and I post under in the description section saying that it's misspelled and so on, okay? So no problemo at all. Let's have some coffee. It's morning here. Okie dokie. Today we talk about ordinal numbers. Whenever I hear the word ordinal, it like reminds me order, right? Exactly. Exactly like that. And with that, we start, okay? I just want to make sure you understand this is the second class about numbers, okay? This is the second class. We had one class last week talking about cardinal numbers, okay? Cardinal numbers are the most common numbers. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 15, 100, 1000. These numbers, they are called cardinal numbers. Okay? Very good, very good. So, to make this class very easy to you, I brought an image here because I think it's gonna be like very easy just to see how it works and then we just apply it, okay? Beautiful. So, as I told you, ordinal numbers, they represent order. Imagine you are watching a football match, you are watching Formula One, you are watching whatever, but it's a championship, NBA, for example. It's a championship, okay? So whenever the match finishes, you will see a scoreboard with all the teams, okay? And in that scoreboard, we have ordinal numbers because we have the first team, the second team, the third team, the fourth team, and so on. Okay, so ordinal numbers, they are very easy because they express order. That's it. But teacher, what else in the world can I use? In what situations can I use it? Okay, well, we can use it while talking about days. Okay, so I don't say today is 25, today is 20. I use the ordinal numbers. Okay, I can say, for example, May 1st or the 1st of May. I can like change the structure in the way that I want. Okay, so ordinal numbers, they can express the day you are, okay? Easy peasy like this, okay? So, for example, today is 3, but I don't say 3. The day I'm recording this video is 3, but I don't say 3. I'll say June and I'll say 3rd. Gotcha? So a lot of students, they don't know this, and they are like very high level, like they are advanced level, speaking very fast, they understand everything, but the problem is the basic concepts like this one, they have no idea because they don't use it properly, they didn't learn it properly. Well, just a quick pause for the coffee. Mm, very good, very good. Okie dokie. So what is the biggest difference here that we gotta notice? Well, if you see after number 3, we have 4, 5, 6, so on. We just put th, and this th, we don't say like the. A lot of students, they just use the in this situation. No, 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 no. We say, okay? So for 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, okay? So being completely honest with you, we have some exception. We always have some exceptions. Unfortunately, this is English, but 90% we just put th and that's it. Okay, some exceptions like 5, I don't say 5, I say 5th. Okay, so when I have where is 20? Oh, here. 20, I don't say 20, I say 20th, 20th, 20th. If you see here, if you pay attention at this part here, we have E here, ETH, which sounds like 20th. Okay, the same happens with 30, 30th. So the logic is the same, okay? This is the general idea, the big picture, okay? But we have 3 exceptions that you have to remember. You have to remember every time you use ordinal numbers, okay? The first exception is number 1. We never say once with th. It doesn't exist. We say first. We never say tooth. We say second, second. We never say three. We say third, third. Okay? So basically, every single time you have 1, 2, 3, like 20 first, 20 second, 20 third. After 3, we just repeat 24th, 25th, 26th. Can't you see that? It's very, very simple, okay? It's very, very, very simple. It's important to know these numbers, these big numbers too, even though we don't use it a lot. Like, as I said, I live in Australia. And I don't remember one situation that I had to use these big numbers here. Of course, it's very important. It's very important, okay? I want to point it out to you to remember. It's important, but it's not as common as the other ones, okay? That's what I mean. One more coffee because, sorry, I'm very addicted to coffee. Very good, very good. So, we call these numbers ordinal numbers. Let's sum it up here. Let's sum up everything, okay? We call these numbers ordinal numbers because they represent order. And when I talk about days, number of the day, I use these numbers too. I don't say today is 1 of the month. Today is the 1st, okay? Very easy. If you understood last class, this class, I think it's gonna be very easy because can't you see I haven't even created more slides here because it's simple. You just have to see and understand the logic, okay? Things to remember. One, two, three are different. I don't say one, I say first. I don't say two, I say second. I don't say three, I say third. Okay, so guys, I hope I helped you somehow. I don't know what's your goal with English, but I hope I helped you because we know English sometimes is very hard to figure it out, to understand the logic. But after you understand, I promise you, you're going to see that it's very simple. Okay, it is very simple. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any question, any comment, anything you want to say, I don't care. Just put in the comments and let's talk. Thank you so much and see you next time. See you around.